I live to my last day, hitting honeys that be nasty, getting money in the fast way, and I only care halfway, but I still can't let you pass me.
You will speak to you, 3 niggas with hoodies and bats. That ain't shit compared to one small cat with gats. When we came here, we cut off all kinds of circulation, breathing, eating, the whole situation. When we do our shit for real. While you take your money for your deal and make your own beats, compose your own sheets, that's alright, but chill. I'ma spin that mill and cop only hot shit. Drop toxic, you know how the locks get. Then you can see me flying in the Bentley cockpit, locks and BI. Hold our clique down for years. Gang nah, but we been had our black tears. Niggas under the stairs only understand what we got. Underground, all above must get shot. You couldn't book me, Dano. Chic Luciano put the burners to all y'all. What, nigga, bringing them, calling
You
y'all.
already know what it's about when I run up in your house, put the gun up in your mouth and get the money out the couch. Hearing you out is senseless. Perhaps, for instance, I give this faggot a French kiss. Black gloves, no prints, dark tints. Word on the street, they ain't heard from him since. You know about life after kicking the kid in. Since me and my mid-end could flip 7 grid-am, skrid-am, the flow is forbidden. Either you riding or you dying, cause we swinging iron. Locks and popper, turning niggas in the gym hopper. Who gon' stop us? Your last joint double copper. You getting money or you running from the feds? Ain't nothing over here but 16 with one in the head. And I solemnly swear that all y'all niggas out there got a problem this year. Can I live to my last day, hitting honeys that be nasty, getting money in the fast way, and I only care halfway, but I still can't let you pass me. Can I live to my last day, hitting honeys that be nasty, getting money in the fast way, and I only care halfway, but I still can't.
Come with me in the silence of darkness. I want to show you secrets of life. I will guide you where dreams couldn't take you. She seldom flew away in the night. You're the moonlight flower, you're the voice of the night. When you call, I'll follow. We will live from the trip of the night. I have been to the heights of my senses, feeling the touch of your caress.